What's up, Dreamedia family? This is Zach and Chase, and we're out here in Colorado, high in the Rocky Mountains, and we'd like to make an announcement. Dreamedia is now officially your go-to authorized dealer for Lutron lighting and shades.
Yeah.
In this home, we have outfitted the entire property, every single window, with killer Lutron shades that have himbar alignment, whisper quiet, and it just really adds to the elegance of luxury living. So Chase, take us through and just tell us about all of the products that we have to offer, what shades are actually in this home, and then I want you to give a demonstration.
Yeah, so in this property, we have wired shades that are set up in valances above the windows so they don't take up any of the viewing space.
Yeah, you don't want to do that.
Yeah. And fabric is a big choice, but that's definitely dependent on the homeowner, the home, and the space you're in. Our homeowner here chose to go with light filtering privacy shades. So when we drop them, we still have a crystal clear view of outside, but we're not getting sun glare inside, nor can people see back into the house. So it's just that little extra step, they didn't want the shades to completely dampen this beautiful view.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because what's nice is with the shades down, you can actually still feel the vibe, at least that the mountains are there, the water's there. So next, I'd like for you to talk about the different ways that you can control these shades and then give us a demonstration.
Yeah, so we have the three primary controls for the shades in this home. One would be we have programmed keypads throughout the house, like where your light switches would be, where we pulled out a single light switch and put in 6 button controls where they can just, as they're walking through a room, close.
Just old school, physical analog button, and sometimes that's nice.
Yeah, and then in the bedrooms, instead of having the homeowner get up to go over to his keypad at the front of his master, we have these Lutron side table controls.
I love that.
Very similar. And let them close not only the shades locally in the room, but specifically in the master, they can close the whole house with just reaching over to their bedside table. Then every C4 interface in the house has control of these Lutron shades, including my phone app here. And we have programmed some commands to where he can drop specific rooms with one button, or maybe the whole home. He can also go in and adjust between 1% and 0% any shade in the house at any point, which is really cool.
I love that.
Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and run the all close so you can see this beautiful hembar alignment dropping behind us in the background. And just show how seamless this is. They look elegant. This 3 windows moving behind this, you wouldn't know that it was 3 different shades. You can see the separation, yeah.
Yeah, I love the hembar alignment. It just...
No noise either.
Yeah.
So
pretty quiet. I mean, for having 20 shades in this room going down at the exact same time, I mean, you can barely hear it.
Yeah.
So as you guys can see now, you still you can see out, like not as well as with the shades up, but I love the light filtering aspect for main living areas. Now, in my own personal home, in my primary bedroom, as well as our movie room, I did blackout shades. So keep in mind, we have a vast variety of different fabrics, different types of, like, this is a more modern mountain home. So we have a more modern boxy type finish to our shade enclosure.
Yeah.
There's also open roller where you actually can install your own custom valets over it. So there's a variety of different options available, different colors available, blackout, light filtering. Even we have ones for patios as well, where you can install them as kind of like a bug guard, and they actually have like a rubber gasket and a seal with side channels to where you can keep out all the bugs, still enjoy the outdoors, but have that automated feature to keep the privacy, the sun, and the bugs out, but you can still see your property or the view.
That's a great point. Something we don't have in Zach's house, but we put in a lot of our hybrid media theater rooms that have windows, is blackout channel.
Yeah.
So that when your blackout shade drops, there is no light gap between the side of the shades. Here at this house, because it wasn't that big of a concern, we went ahead and made sure the shades had a 1/2 inch overlap on every window. That way you're not looking directly outside still when the windows are down. If you go with an inside channel, shade and you don't do the sidebars, there will be a thin light gap between 1/4 and 1/2 inch.
But
every shade.
They do sell channels, but I personally don't feel like they look luxury. They don't look super high-end. They're plastic.
It's really for those very difficult, the sun's beating on the window by the theater at a specific time of day and it's bothering them.
And you need every ounce of light removed.
And of course, this house during the renovation period was wired. So all of these shades in this house are wired. We also have wire-free solutions that's
very
reliable. They can go, again, hidden above in a balance, or they can go, Lutron has worked very hard to get these really elegant designs. We'll show off some of these shades in future videos, but they're palladium wire frees, come with a 4-year battery life.
Wow.
Yeah. And again, those can just be mounted in retrofit with a few extenders throughout the house and that same seamless shade control. So if your house wasn't pre-wired for shades, that's not the end of the story. We can find a solution for every project we encounter.
Absolutely. I can't tell you guys how honored I am to be your go-to Lutron dealer here in the Colorado Rocky region. If you guys would like us to do anything for your own home or business, reach out today. Chase is our regional sales manager. You'll get him personally on the phone. You'll get his cell phone number.
Yeah, and
so you can harass him.
Yeah, and it's not like you call me, I recommend the product, then you never hear from me. I will be on site in your house. I will be overseeing your project. I'll be programming the home. So
we are not
one-stop shop.
We are not just guys in a video. We are real people that get hands-on and want to ensure white glove treatment, 5-star service from start to finish.
Yes.
Chase, can you put these shades up for me just one more time? I feel like I have to show them one more time, these shades. I love the him bar alignment, and I'm just gushing over these views. I mean, this property is stunning. That's probably one of my favorite parts about running this business is being in luxury tech. We get to see these killer homes and you can do cool stuff like this.
You can check that on the clock in the video. My phone was locked, not in the app, and within 3 seconds we had all the shades moving. So very quick, seamless process for the homeowner with elegant results.
I love it. And we'll throw some B-roll here at the end of the video with some of the other rooms going up as well. Every single window in this home has a shade on it, and including my own personal home. I have a shade on every single window. I feel like it's one of the most important things up
Hard
here.
to go back.
Once you have it, I mean, it may be one of those things where you're considering it and you're like, is it going to be worth it? Should I just do manual? Am I really going to use it? But once you have it, you use it religiously, and you can even program it into your automation scenes. So like I have mine because I'm a new construction home. And again, just like this house, with all these Colorado homes, we have massive windows because we want to soak up our views. But my neighbors, as an example, I can clearly see them because it's new construction and the trees haven't matured yet. So I have automation scenes built in for certain times of the day where the shades just automatically lower for privacy, automatically come up in the morning. And also you can add the sun tracking aspect to it to where, you know, if you have high-end artwork or even my furniture, I noticed and initially half of my leather couch, my cigar couch actually is a different color than the other half of the couch. And I'm gonna have to do some conditioning on it now because I didn't have scheduled in for that part of the day for the sun to block out that window. And now half of my couch is a different color from the other half. It really makes a crazy difference. I don't know if I saw it whenever I used to live down in Texas, but now that I'm up in Colorado, maybe I'm more aware, but I feel like it could also just be the altitude. The sun is so intense up here.
2 miles closer to the sun almost.
Yeah. Yeah. So we're doing a lot of cool stuff here. We did want to make you guys aware that we are here. We're real people providing real 5-star service. You can check our reviews out online. We're 5-star rated everywhere. And we have many more exciting projects coming soon on our YouTube channel that you can view. We're going to be checking another one out tomorrow in what town?
Over in Breckenridge.
So another Breck home. In addition to 2 more over in Copper, we got 1 in Silverthorne and 1 in Keystone.
We have 3 in Copper.
three in copper now. We're taking over Summit County, as well as all the way down in the Front Range, Colorado Springs, Denver, all the way up to Severance and Fort Collins, and we would love the opportunity to earn your business. Guys, we are committed to delivering the next level of expectation in this territory. We can't do it without you guys. Thank you for everybody's support. If you like this video, give us a big thumbs up, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button down below for more. Till next time, this is Zach and Chase with Dream Media. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.